Welcome to Gathered Makes. In this video, we're going to show you how to do acrylic pouring. This technique creates abstract works of art which are made by pouring acrylic paint over a surface. By mixing oil with the paint, you can create these cells that look like bubbles in the artwork. It gets quite messy, so be sure to protect your craft area. To do acrylic pouring, you'll need some acrylic paint, a heat tool, some Floetrol. This is what thins the acrylic paint and makes it easy to pour. Some silicone oil to create the cells, some pots to mix your paints in, mixing sticks, reusable cups. We're going to create what's called a dirty pour, so you'll need another container to mix the paints in, a palette knife, and we use this to tidy up the edges while the paint is still wet. And finally, you'll need something to pour onto. We're using these mini canvases, but you can pour onto almost anything. Let's get started. Take one of your pots and squidge in some acrylic paint. We're using Ultramarine from Reeves. This is Floetrol. It's a paint conditioner that reduces viscosity in the acrylic paint, allowing you to easily pour it. Add some Floetrol to the paint in the pot. Do this a little at a time, adding more as necessary. Stir it well. You're aiming for quite a runny consistency, like a delicious lemon chicken or hoisin sauce. It's not quite there yet. Add a little more Floetrol until a runny consistency is achieved. That's it. Let's mix some green. Just like before, squidge in some paint and mix it with Floetrol. Keep adding Floetrol a little at a time and mix until it's runny. Like this. Once mixed, these paints will last for months. Just be sure the lids are kept on and they'll be ready for next time. Silicone oil is used in acrylic pouring to add cells to the artwork. If you don't have any silicone oil, you can also use coconut oil or even hair oil. Add a few drops of oil into the paint. We are adding around 5 or 6 drops to each colour. Stir the oil into the paint, going twice round in a figure of 8 pattern. For smaller cells, stir more, and for larger cells, don't stir. Leave the mixtures to stand for around half an hour. This gives any air bubbles a chance to rise to the surface and pop. You can also leave them overnight. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab a cup to make your dirty pour in. One by one, pour in the acrylic paints. Don't worry about being too neat, just have fun with it and build up the colours. This is the amount of paint that you'll need. Acrylic pouring is really messy, so don't forget to roll your sleeves up. Take your canvas and place it face down onto the cup. Then carefully lift it up, and when you're ready, in one swift motion, flip the cup and canvas upside down. You'll hear a plop as the paint drops onto the surface. Wiggle the cup and the canvas around, then lift the cup off the surface, like this. Tilt the canvas to allow the paint to flow in all directions. Make sure the corners and sides are covered. You'll notice how much the pattern changes as you're manipulating the paint. To make the cells really pop, use a heat tool over the canvas, and this will help bring them out even more. Trying not to touch the front of the canvas, carefully peel it away from the newspaper underneath. Here, I'm checking the sides and the corners to make sure there are no gaps. Put it to one side and leave to dry. It will take between 24 and 48 hours to dry properly. Let's do another. This is another dirty pour, but this time I've not added any silicone to the paint, so you can see the difference. Like before, place your canvas face down on the cup and flip. Wiggle it around, and when you're ready, lift up the cup. Like before, manipulate the paint by tilting the canvas so that it goes all the way to the sides. And you can see the result is quite different. There are no cells and the paint appears much smoother. And the back gets very messy. Acrylic pouring can be addictive, and you'll find yourself experimenting with all sorts of colour combinations. Here, I'm trying a black and pink canvas. I added silicone to this one, and you can see the cells as they start to develop in the black acrylic paint. Let's try one with orange, pink, and a splash of gold. Your dirty cup will be quite dirty by the time you've finished, but as you'll find out, it's difficult to stop. I really like the detail on this one, and I think the pink and blue colours work well together. This one's just a mixture of all the colours that I had left. look how well those cells have come out. I really like the gold veins in this one. Now, we're not going to let all that lovely paint at the bottom go to waste. Pull the newspaper up so there's a little bit of space underneath. Position a canvas face up and gradually drag the paint over the surface. It's quite heavy and you can see there's a lot there. We hope you've had as much fun with our acrylic pouring tutorial as we've had making it. If you like, you can varnish your work. Choose a varnish suitable for acrylic paint to protect it from the dings of everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gathered Makes YouTube channel for more great craft projects, and visit our website gathered.how for daily inspiration. We love seeing what you've been making, so be sure to tag us in your craft projects on social media. Goodbye for now!